Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Wizz Publishers. I am your teacher आयशा और हम पढ़ेंगे जनरल नॉलेज। तो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं that we are doing Wizz Early Learner Series prep book for general knowledge, and it's time to start our next lesson. Our next lesson is very interesting and informative as well because it is going to tell us about useful animals. Okay, let's see what teacher Ali and Sarah are talking about. Teacher, animals are useful for us. Ali, I have hens in my farmhouse. They give eggs and I eat an egg daily. Sarah, I like to eat meat or fish. Teacher, some animals help us to carry the luggage too. Look at the pictures and listen to your teacher. There are some more animals. Let's look at them and see their uses. Cow. All of you know about the cow? Cow give us milk and meat. Cow से हमें दूध भी मिलता है और गोश्त भी. Goat. Goat give us milk and meat also. Goat also give us meat and milk. Hen. A hen gives us eggs and meat. All of you know that we eat chicken, right? So they give us meat and eggs too. Sheep. Sheep gives us wool and it also gives us meat. We also eat meat of sheep. Horse. A horse helps people in travel and carry loads. And horse का बहुत important role है that it helps different people in carrying the loads, in carrying different things from one place to another. Then the dog. Dog guards our house. Yes, dogs are kept for protection. उनको हम protection के लिए रखते हैं. A cat. A cat keeps mice away. तो cats की वजह से mice यानी कि चूहे हमसे दूर रहते हैं. Honeybee. A honeybee gives us honey, which is very nutritious and good for health. And fish. Fish gives us meat. Fish gives us meat and it is very healthy. There is a point to learn. Useful animals help us by giving food, carrying loads and other helpful things. So useful animals have so many uses. We eat them. They help in other things as well. So my dear kids, let's move to the activity page and circle the correct answer. It helps us to travel in desert. What do you think? A horse or camel? Yes, a camel helps us to move in the desert. It gives us eggs. Sheep or hen? What do you think? Yes, hen. So encircle that. And same goes with the rest of the questions, and you are going to encircle the animal accordingly. The next question says encircle the animals that carry loads. So इनमें से कौन सा animals हमें load carry करने में help करते हैं? What do you think? Yes, a camel, a horse and also a donkey. You are going to encircle these three. Dear teachers, engage the students in completing the above activities. Also help them in understanding the concept of useful animals. Tell them that Allah has created all living things with a certain purpose to serve. It is a very important point, my dear kids. As you know that Allah Ta'ala has created all of us. So Allah has created all the things and all the things have a purpose. So my dear kids, that is all with today's lesson. I hope you have grasped the concept nicely. I'm going to meet you again with another lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz.